Hello guys and welcome to a new video from Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today I will show you some altcoins. We will check together some altcoins. You see here on this screen my live streaming on Twitch. It's named Crypto Trading Informant. And you can see there 6 of the biggest cryptos momently. Here you can see on the upper left corner, here is Ethereum. Here on the right side is Litecoin. Here is Cardano. Here is IOTA. Here is DOT. Here is XLM. So, okay, guys, we will check together some of these cryptos. Let's start with this crypto. Let's start with Ethereum. So we open it up. It's a little bit slowly here this stream because I'm streaming that on another PC. That's not the fastest one, but we can make a very nice TA here. I think live here on my live stream. What else? So guys, let's start with Ethereum. Let's start with the daily chart and let's turn off all indicators. I always start with a technical analysis with turn off indicators because it's better to see here, much more better I think. So we turn off the buy and sell, we turn off the EMA ribbon, and so we have here a really nice and clear Ethereum chart. You see here my rocket, we are erasing this rocket. So this is the daily chart for Ethereum. As you can see, extreme up move here. It's bumping really nice. We start with a parallel channel from the deepest point here to the next deepest point to this one, and we are making here this, and the end of the channel here is the highest candle here, about this one. So as you can see, we are here in a nice uptrend channel. You know the uptrend channel is always green. Green is uptrend and red is the downtrend. So guys, Ethereum, okay, nice uptrend channel. Every candle here is 1 day, and as you can see, yesterday the candle was a red candle. It was an unsure candle, not a up going and not a down going. It closed in the middle, and today we have a new candle, a green candle, and as you can see, it's going lightly up here. So what can we check here with this? What can we see here? We can see we are on the upper line here of this uptrend channel. So it's for me a very nice thing to see. Okay, we are still in the uptrend, very nice. We have here the middle line. You can see the middle line is acting as a support momently. We can make here a price to see here the price button, and you can see the middle line is momently at 1650. So the first thing we can see on this TA for Ethereum, the middle line of this uptrend channel is about 1650. Nice. We can make another one here. We can clone this, and we will give this here to the upper side of this uptrend channel, and you can see it's about 1900. That's the target from the upper line of this uptrend channel. So let's make another one. We clone it, and we are putting it here to this downtrend line, and that's about 1400. So we are acting in this uptrend channel very nicely. The upper target for the first 1890, the middle line is the support for 1650, and the down line here is 1420, about 30. So let's check the buy and sell indicator. It's not so important here for this one daily chart, but as you can see, we saw here was the buy signal. The last buy signal was here, and if you traded this signal, if you are telling to yourself, okay, I have a job, I have not so much time, how should I trade? It's really nice to trade this daily chart. So you have much time for real life, and you have not to take so much time for this trading here. If you bought here on this buy, you are still in a perfect uptrend. You don't need to sell here. Watch out for a sell signal and sell there, and you make nice profit. That's the easiest way to trade. Here you saw a buy signal. You can buy here, waiting. You can sell here, buy here again, waiting. That's a very easy possibility to trade. It's a very easy possibility for trade for noobs. You don't need anything like indicators like hash ribbons, like MACD, like RSI, like Fibonacci, and so on and so on. So this is a very Very simple thing to trade. Let's turn on the EMA ribbon band. I always like this ribbon band. You can see this ribbon band is here. That's the last line for this. Everyone who's watching this video and who doesn't know what about the ribbon band, please watch a video from me. I have there an explanation about this ribbon band. So here, this ribbon band is the highest one. It's about 1536. And that's always a good support here. As you can see, if Ethereum is coming down again a little bit, that's always a really good support here, here, and maybe if we're coming down here again. Okay, guys, that's a really, really nice thing to see about the one-day chart. We are not watching here the MACD, but we are turn it on here. We will turn it on. Sorry for my bad English. I am trying to learn. I am not so good in English. Sorry about that. Here's the MACD. We will turn it on and we will check the MACD now. So, okay. Here it is. It is a very, very poor PC here. Not the fastest one, okay. But as we can see, we are in a green zone for the MACD. You can see here the crossing of these two lines, very important here. That was a good point to go long again. And we are here on a good way. Attention about these two lines. If they are crossing again and the blue line is coming over this orange line, we have, or a brown line, we may have a problem because this is the next crossing, and on every crossing we are making a good move upwards or downwards. If the blue line will cross the brown one, it will be a bearish sign and it will go down from here. So attention on this. That's for the daily chart for Ethereum. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart looks like this here. So, yes, the middle line is still the same. It's no problem. It's very nice to see here in the 4-hour chart. We are acting here in this range, and we touched here this ribbon band, and we fight it. Ethereum fighted here against this ribbon band, and it's a very good sign. Bitcoin could win this fight here and bounced off here from this hash ribbon band with a new volume. And it looks very bullish here for Ethereum to go more and more and more in the direction of 1880, 90 or 1900. Looks really nice. As we can see here, this one was the last cross on the 4-hour chart, and we see here a sell symbol. So if I would trade here in the 4-hour chart, I would sell here my Ethereum because of this bearish symbol, sell symbol going out here. It was in this thing, it was not so good to sell here because we're coming up again and we have a buy signal here. But that's the way you can take a look on this. But as you can see on the 4-hour chart, you see here sell, buy, sell. Here's the next buy, here's the sell. The sell is not always on the top here, or the buy is not always here on the deepest point. That are only signals for you. They should help you to trade and make your own decision here to trade. So that's about the 4-hour chart. Let's go deeper in the 1-hour chart. And as you can see, you can trade in that time zone you would like to trade. Every time zone has another hash ribbon band. Any time zone has another crossings. And the deeper you're coming in a time zone, desto more difficult it's to trade, because you can see it here. Here's a buy, very good. Here's a long signal, very cool. Here's a sell, here's a buy, here's a sell, here's a buy. So if you have much time on a day, you can trade on a 1-hour chart. Also, it's very nice to trade here. You can see here the buy signal here, that was today in the morning. Here was the crossing, the blue line crossed the brown line, buy signal, and it's going up from here really nicely. We would not only check here these indicators, we will turn off these indicators for this time. And I would like to show you something else here for Ethereum, what's really interesting. So MACD, go away. Okay, here is the clear Ethereum chart. We will zoom out a little bit, and in this opinion we will erase this uptrend channel, so we have a clear view here to this Ethereum chart. So what we can see here, we have a possible pattern. We have here a possible pattern for Ethereum, and this pattern, if you can see it, it's a shoulder head shoulder pattern. The shoulder head shoulder pattern is here about a shoulder, about the head, and about the shoulder. Okay, but it's an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. So you can see it, the shoulder goes down, the head goes down, and the shoulder goes down. The inverse shoulder pattern is really nice to trade, guys, and that's the thing we will take a look about in my channel too. We can take a line here, and we can take a baseline here, from here to here. That's the higher, that are the highest points here. That is our baseline for this shoulder, head, shoulder. And if we are trying to make here the target out of this pattern, the shoulder, head, shoulder pattern, it's very easy. We can take the highest point here of this head, and we draw a line to this neckline here. And with this line, we can see what's the next target. And we have to put this line on this neckline. Maybe we will break out here. It's going up from here. We will break out here. This will show us our next target. And if we put a price label here on this line, you can see the next target would be about 2,160. That would be a very nice trade. But attention, guys, you need to see a confirmed breakout of this trend line here. This trend line is very important. This trend line is momently about 1,860. As long as Ethereum is not breaking out of this trend line, this pattern is not active. So keep this always in your mind. A pattern will break out if we can break this resistance here. And maybe we can make a retest on this resistance, and then we will see a breakout. But this would be a very nice trade here, from 1,860 to 2,150, or about 300, 400 bucks. Very nice trade here. You can trade with 10 Ethereum, with 1 Ethereum, with $100. It doesn't matter. You make here a very nice profit. You can make a leverage, and what else. So that's it for Ethereum. That's the first watch here for Ethereum. We are watching this for the hourly. We make one thing. Always, if I'm trading, I will take a look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. That's for me very important to see how is Ethereum acting versus Bitcoin. And here, as you can see, we are on a clearly downtrend with Ethereum versus Bitcoin. That's the 1 hour chart. And if we are putting our line here down, you can see that's a little problem we have with Ethereum. So you can see the downtrend. You can see here a breakout of this downtrend. I call it a fake out. Everyone is going in here, and here Ethereum is again in this red downtrend. So that means for me, attention, guys, Ethereum versus Bitcoin is acting in a downtrend. So I would not trade Ethereum now, and I would not trade a breakout for Ethereum, because it's working versus Bitcoin. It's working really bad. You can make more profit to trade Bitcoin, in this opinion, as Ethereum. So for this, it means for me in the 1 hour chart, it's very important to come over this downtrend. We have to break this downtrend. We have here, that was today very, very nice to see. We had here a little uptrend in this downtrend. We broke it up, but now you can see we are back in this downtrend channel. So attention about Ethereum. And the cool thing is about these coins, you can make this analyze with every coin you'd like. If you're going back now from Ethereum, we will write Ethereum and USDT. So we are back here in our channel. We make it here a little again, that we can see our 6 other coins here. And one thing we will make, we will turn on the buy and sell indicator and the EMA ribbon. So as you can see on this crypto trading informant channel, you can see live here the hourly chart. So every candle is 1 hour, and you can see live here the buy and sell signals and the hash ribbon band, what's very important. So if you would like to trade, I will recommend to you open my stream. It's very good for me. Okay, support me. That's very good for me. Give me a donation. Give me a support, whatever, and take at this very, very important. Take a look at this very important live stream, crypto trading informant. This helps you really, really, really good to make your decision. So you see here, Ethereum is going up very nicely. Okay, that's a good sign. But you know from this video, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, there's a problem, there's a downtrend channel, Ethereum has to break it, that we can go on here over this red line, and that the pattern can play out this shoulder head shoulder pattern. It's very important. Okay, that's about Ethereum. I would like to say thank you for watching this video with Ethereum. I will make now another video. We will start with Litecoin, with this coin here, and I hope we will see us in the next video. Make it good, trade good. Big wishes out there to all. Make good trades. Greetings, your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.